Quick and effective methods and tips to learn copywriting. Whether you want to build a career in copywriting or learn a skill that will help you market your business, copywriting is an excellent skill. Copywriting is necessary in marketing and advertising, and the applications cut across writing video scripts, creating social media ads, writing brochures, or even web pages. Learn the basics of writing copy. The core function of copywriting is persuasion and knowing how to influence the actions your readers take. Your first step to becoming a copywriter lies in knowing how to write persuasively. You can then start learning the fundamental concepts that will help you master copywriting. Here are some of the fundamental skills you should learn to build a foundation for your copywriting skills. Learn from established copywriters. You can learn copywriting through shadowing some of the best copywriting experts in the world and understanding how they write their copy. Besides the tons of copywriting resources that copywriting experts share on their websites, they may also teach copywriting as a course. Copywriting courses offer a structured learning process, and some even provide the chance for one-on-one coaching. What to focus on when learning copywriting? Practice makes perfect. No matter where you learn copywriting from, the only way to master the skill is through practicing as much as possible. Even though there are different ways of learning copywriting, most options revolve around reading and writing materials regularly until you become an expert. Becoming an expert copywriter requires that you read widely, across multiple disciplines, and write as much as you can. Here are some ingenious copywriting exercises that can help you write better copy. The psychology of buying. Psychology features a great deal in copywriting. As a copywriter, you need to understand the psychological triggers behind why people would click or subscribe to particular marketing messages. Learning widely about the psychology of buying will help you understand what you can do to get your readers on board. As a copywriter, you must understand why people buy specific brands, what people are looking for in general when they buy products, and more. General copywriting skills. Aside from knowing the psychology behind buying, you also need to master writing in general. You should practice writing headlines, value propositions, and doing openers that will entice people into reading your copy. Using hooks in headlines is essential in engaging readers. You need to know what makes your readers tick and how you can make the most of those triggers. Grammar, punctuation, and spelling. To create good content that can engage readers from the get-go, you need to know proper grammar, punctuation, and spelling. Learning copywriting is a process. It's not something that can be mastered overnight, but with the right guidance and training, you will see your skills improve over time. That wraps things up for today. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.